Hi guys, good morning. So I hope you can hear me and I just woke up. It's super late already but laban lang. I slept early in the morning for 4 a.m. because I had a friend who asked for help regarding YouTube, regarding online teaching, regarding um, a lot of things, and I'm super happy because um, I was able to give her advice, a little help, and then it was super good thing because she was a friend of mine for high school friend of mine, and we have the same passion for dancing, and I was super blessed as well because in a way I was able to help her. She was able to help me build back my passion into dancing, but as of now I can't because of my health issue. But I was hoping to get back on my feet again, and yes, literally slept super late. We talked for 5 hours. I was supposed to, um, shall I say, I was supposed to make a video for you guys, but um, maybe it's a calling that I should attend to her needs because at that moment, maybe she she just really need my help, and I told myself, okay, let's post and do something good for our friends. So indeed, I was so happy because we were able to finish the task and she was happy about it. And I'm happy as well. It was satisfying to finish our task, a lot of tasks, and super blessed to talk to her for a very long time. And she was also here quarantined. She cannot go back because of this pandemic times. She cannot go back to the country where she lives. So um, maybe I told myself maybe I can lend an ear to her because it's super hard if you're alone, you're not talking to someone. So it's good as well that I was able to talk to her. And I'm so sorry for the mess of my hair. And a little update, guys, my skin is glowing for my skincare. And yes, I'm too sleepy, but I need to get up. I need to make this video up, and let me show to you. Today, I'll be showing to you the things that we planted so far, vegetables that we planted so far, and yeah, magtanim ay di biro. I was so happy because meron akong nilagay na onions, a little bottle onions. I don't know, onions ba yan? Nagbunga na siya, guys. I don't know, nagbunga siya. I was super happy. I'm going to tour you around sa mga natanim na namin, okay? So, I'm going to have breakfast and keep the camera rolling. See you! Balik na guro tula. Tubo ka nila. Kama na ba? Tubo man yun ang kuan dito sa malala. Tubo man dahil na sila mailabay. No, alugbati, malunggay, at saka sibuyas. Oh, we also have oregano day pala, guys. Spotted, alugbati. Alugbati. Nandito yung mga guy. Banana. Yan, malunggay. 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 Ayun. Malunggay. Malunggay. Bougainvillea. I don't know what's this called. Pero parang elepante. para sa kung mabughat ka. This one are squash. I think